saying, I just want to
Okay, so
take away
probably
from
not.
but I wonder if,
Good afternoon, everyone.
I know,
I believe it's time to start, so we're going to call this meeting to order. This is the Salina City Planning Commission. It is May 2nd, and we will begin tonight with a approval of our minutes from the April 18th meeting.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, sir.
I move that we approve the minutes of the April 18th meeting as printed.
second.
It's been moved and seconded to approve the minutes from April 18th. Any discussion? If not, all those in favor vote aye, please.
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. We have two public hearing items on the agenda tonight. Number 3.1, application Z16-7, which is filed by the Planning Commission, requesting a review and amendment to Section 4269 of wireless communication facilities to bring it into conformance with state law.
Our recommendation is to, and this can be done in a combined motion, would be to postpone consideration and continue the public hearings on application Z16-7 and Z16-8 until your June 6th meeting, as we are still needing some legal review and input related to those text amendments. And our current, we haven't had second reading on our temporary sign amendment yet because the city attorney's office is still doing some work on that, and so we should anticipate their being freed up to have something for you to vote on at your June 6th meeting. So our recommendation would just be a motion to continue the hearing on those two applications to your June 6th meeting.
So moved.
It is moved and seconded to continue items number 3.1 and 3.2 until June 6th. Is there any discussion?
My only question is one for clarification. I think, Dean, you've made that pretty relatively clear. Is June the 6th long enough? I know we always have to table these
Right, to
for
a
a
date
time in the
certain.
future. So is June the 6th enough so that we don't go through this again?
We believe it is, because once we get through the sign code stuff, we will have their attention, and they will also be assisting us on our planned commercial district stuff, so that will be part and parcel. We believe that's enough time.
Okay.
Any other discussion or questions for staff regarding this postponement? If not, all those in favor vote aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries. That would bring us to administrative items.
We don't have any administrative items this evening. We do, in way of future meetings, we have a meeting scheduled for May 16th, and we have a zoning case on Van Horn. You looked at one at the beginning of the year, and there's a contractor who has residential zone property that's been grandfathered for years as a contractor's site, and having seen the rezoning occur to the west on Van Horn, decided they felt more protected by requesting the same I-2 zoning. So that will come before you on the 16th. And then the City Commission initiated a cleanup item on the comprehensive plan map over at the 5th and Prescott intersection, where we had one parcel there that was not in the hospital medical land use area, and they thought as a housekeeping item that should be taken care of. That would come before you first on the 16th, and then on the 6th we have a replat that has been filed for property that out where the Olive Garden is. There is a plat of that. It's owned by Sutherland Lumber and Home Improvement Company, and are trying to split it up into multiple tracts, and to do that they're wanting to replat that. So that will be on the 6th, and we'll be aiming to have discussions with you on the planned commercial district text amendment on the 6th as well.
Thank you. Other matters? Commissioners? No? Well, that was brief.
All right.
We did have a great study session prior, for those that think that we don't actually
We were
do
putting all our
anything.
eggs in the study session basket.
We had, yes, and thank you to staff for all the preparation for the study session. You're always so
Amen.
efficient.
Yep.
And we accomplished so much because of that. Any other discussion? Not, we're adjourned. See you
Righty.
the next meeting then.